It's back. It's finally back. The 2019 newly redesigned Ford Ranger. Hi, my name is Cesar and I work at Hacienda Ford at the Truck Center. And I am here to introduce to you your new 2019 Ford Ranger. So this 2019 Ford Ranger Lariat package, the first thing you're gonna notice is it's gonna have its blacked out headlights. You're gonna have your two-tone bumper. Now, bumper, it's steel, it's not a carbon fiber. That right there is exclusive in our class. Now, one thing I really want to talk about is that camera right there, that's an HD camera. That works for two things. One, it's your adaptive cruise control. And the adaptive cruise control, the way that it works is it allows you to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front of you without you not sacrificing that cool feeling of having a cruise control. The second great feature about that, it's got the pedestrian crossing alert. It's got an automatic emergency braking system. If we ever need it, it's gonna do it on its own. So now we come along this side here, and the first thing I want you to see obviously is a newly redesigned truck. Therefore, we got newly redesigned wheels. You've got the new 2018 polished aluminum wheels, which I want you to focus and I want you to see one thing. Look at the calipers and the rotors on this thing. These things are massive and they are by far the best in our class. One thing for sure that we didn't have in our old Rangers, we didn't have these very nice looking badgings that we have. As you can see here, there's a big badging that says Ranger Lariat because of course it's a Lariat package. If it would be the XOT, it'd say XOT right here. So on this 2019 Ford Ranger, it stands pretty high. As you can tell, I'm about the same size of LeBron James. So with that, you're gonna need some heavy duty running boards. And this is exactly what this truck has. So now we move into the back end of the vehicle. First thing you're gonna notice, obviously, your nice FX4 badging back here in the back, which really stands out. Look at this new redesigned rear tail light. And one thing that's very important about it is it does have the blind spot radar. So that's gonna help you on your side of your mirrors. It's gonna alert you when you've got traffic coming in from side to side. And of course, it's very aggressive, it's very nice, it's full of LEDs, and it says Ranger on the inside, which really gives it that nice signature look to it. So as you can see, because all of our Rangers are EcoBoost, we're gonna have our EcoBoost badging. One cool feature that we did is that we stamped Ranger onto the tailgate, which it's unique. No one else has that. So you'll have it in your Ranger. And of course, your old Ranger, your 2001, 2002, didn't have a reverse camera. Well, now you've got a HD reverse camera that's right under here with your very nice Ford badging here. And you also have your reverse sensors. And we can't forget about the towing, right? So you've got your towing package here. You got everything to hook it up with. So you'll be ready to go whenever you are. So we all know that Ford has the most space in its class in any pickup. Well, we didn't disappoint you in this 2019 Ford Ranger. I want to show you the extra space, the extra storage that you have. We have our tools there. Come see this. So this truck comes equipped with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. That right there is your amplifier. You have your subwoofer, and here you have your cross jack in case you ever need it. So everything is placed right behind this seat right here. So this 2019 Ford Ranger obviously is gonna come with this 8-inch touchscreen. One thing I want you to notice is this smoked carbon effects that you're gonna find all over the interior, which makes it look very nice and very sporty. Now coming towards the steering wheel, have you ever heard of a smart steering wheel? Well, guess what? This Ranger has it. You can do everything from here. You can answer your phone, you can talk to someone, lower your volume, adapt cruise control. Remember we spoke about it earlier? Everything is right here. And of course, you get the premium leather wrap steering wheel as well. So that about wraps it up on this 2019 Ford Ranger. It's been 8 long years and we are excited to have the Ranger. It's finally back. I know that you're gonna be excited as well. And now it's my turn to go see what this bad boy is all about. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.